All right, so I think and hopefully I've done a decent enough job of showing you the benefits of Arc Browser from the perspective of a student. From the ability to create unique profiles so that you can separate your school life from your personal life, from your work life, to pinning favorite apps that you use on a day-to-day basis and will need no matter what course you're in, to organizing information in a specific space so that it makes sense to you and makes it very, very easy to access it, to creating these workflows where you can effectively put two panels side by side in an Arc window and work with them. We didn't even really get into easels, where you can effectively create a new space that you can just draw things in. Okay, so you can actually add in images and things like that. And that was mostly because your usage may vary. I can do a video later on as a kind of a complementary and supplementary video on easels, but I figured for the vast majority of you getting started, you're probably going to want to work in the proper and primary pieces of Arc, where you're organizing tabs and building out content. We've looked at advanced AI features of Arc, and we even looked at the mobile application on iOS, Arc Search. So I hope that in learning everything that you can do in Arc as a browser and as a student, that this is going to help set you up for success in your college career and beyond. I know personally, I've been using this browser for about a year now, and I can't imagine going back to any other browser. Even with some of the extensions that I could put into Google Chrome or Firefox as a means of better organizing things, Arc has become truly my go-to browser for organization, my general workflow patterns, and everything in between. And I think the main reason that is because of everything that you've seen here. So thank you so much for joining me on this. I will let you know that you're free to comment on any of the videos. If you do comment, it sometimes does take me a while to respond. I promise I will try and do it. If it's an immediate issue, you're probably better served looking online for details on how to fix something or do something, because I might not necessarily be able to get back to you in a small window of time. But if it's just a general question or a request for an additional video, please feel free to leave it in a comment, and I will hopefully get to it and answer it as quickly as I possibly can. Thanks again for tuning in, for following along with me on this, and I hope that it's been valuable to you. If you are a new or returning student and you're getting ready to start the school year, I hope that you can use the videos here to set you up for success, and I wish you all the best in your academic journey. Thanks a bunch.